I'm going to show you how to convert your website into a mobile app for iOS and Android. This includes publishing to the App Store and the Google Play Store. For this video, I created an entire website about lions using AI, right? The king of beasts. We've got Samba here from the Lion King, looks like. But as you can see, I have this working as a mobile app on my phone. Navigation works, and there's even an external link to Wikipedia. This method I'll show you works with websites from WordPress, Wix, Base44, Lovable, Claude, ChatGPT. So even if AI built your website or you're using a website builder, this will work for you no problem. The benefits to having a mobile app for your website is it's easy to access, you get more traffic from the app stores, and there's an improved user experience so they can access your product much easier. Here are my 3 steps for converting a website into an app. Step number 1, make the website mobile friendly. Step 2, configure the app template. And step 3, publish the app. Now for step 1, making the app mobile friendly, you'll need to make sure your app follows width and height constraints. In other words, it's not horizontally scrolling and just generally looks nice on mobile. And you also want ever-present navigation, and that means always within the app you should be able to navigate around. The navigation should not be hidden or disappear. And this goes right into number 3. There should be no island pages, meaning you go somewhere and there's no way to get back to the place you came from. This is against the App Store guidelines. And finally, for all external links, your app should use _blank target, meaning that links should open up in an external browser. So you don't want, if your user is scrolling around and then they click on a link to Facebook within your app, you don't want your app to just suddenly turn into Facebook, right? Because it's a website in an app. For step 2, configuring the app template, go ahead and download the open source project I've created. It's a GitHub project. Just click download, and then you'll need to change the source attribute. Let me show you that. Alright, so this file right here, homepage.html, you're going to want to change the iframes source attribute to your website. So essentially this entire application is just a web browser inside of a mobile app wrapper. That's how this works. There's an iframe, and then it's styled to fit the width and height of the phone at maximum. And then you need to modify your app name, ID, and icon within that project, and build it to your phone and test it to make sure that it works. And finally, for step 3, publishing the app, you're going to need to create an Apple developer account, and then you'll be uploading a signed build to an app under that account. Apple requires you to have your own developer account with them. They don't allow you to upload your app to somebody else's account when the entities aren't the same. Like you can't just upload the Domino's app to, Starbucks app account. That they're not going to allow that. And then you'll do the same for Android. For the Google Play Store, you will open a Play Store developer account and upload a signed build. And then you'll just be configuring the store listing pages, making sure everything looks nice, configuring the description. And once you have all of that set up, you can finally click the publish button under the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now, in such a short video, I can't dive into, how to use the command line, how to produce a build, how to sign the build, how to upload it to the app stores, how to configure the icons, things like that. That would take hours and hours to do. But if you're interested in a done-for-you solution, my company offers a end-to-end complete publishing of this application for you. This would include, like I said, configuring the app signing certificates, configuring the app icon as a splash screen, producing the signed build, configuring the store listing, and handling any issues revolving around that, whether it be rejections or things like that. And we also have a more advanced template, which is private, which can handle caching and offline detection. So if your application has user login, for example, then the prior template, it's going to sign the user out every time they log in. But I have a more advanced template, which I can use for paying clients, that will keep the user logged in, cache it. It's pretty sophisticated. So if you're interested in the complete done-for-you solution, feel free to click the link in the description below and use the promo code YouTube for a discount on your purchase. And after you make the purchase, me and my team will reach out to you and start setting all this up for you. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next video.